Hello everyone. Today I will be discussing about page 76 of Cambridge Primary Mathematics Learner's Book for grade level 2. So let's see what is the topic right here. The topic is time traveling. It is about time. The page is about time. You have lots of friends all over the world. Yes, you can have different friends living in different countries. For example, if one of your friend is living in Canada and the time is 11 o'clock in Canada, and one of your friend may be living in Paris and the time with him is 7 o'clock. You may observe something. What is this? It is 13 o'clock. What is 13 o'clock? What is 14 o'clock? What is 17 o'clock? Okay, let me tell you that this is 24-hour clock. In 24-hour clock, we don't write time with AM and PM. We write time with 13 o'clock and 14 o'clock. Let me tell you right here. When it is 24-hour clock and when it is 12-hour clock. Okay, if the time is in 12-hour clock, if the time is 1 p.m., we will write the time in 24-hour clock that it is 13 o'clock. Okay, 13 o'clock ho gaye, we will say. And we will not use AM or PM with 24-hour clock. Because we know that when the time is greater than 12 o'clock, it is obviously PM. Okay, so we will not use AM or PM with 24-hour clock. So this point may be clear to you. Now look at this map. Here you will observe that Pakistan is not mentioned on this map. Pakistan will be near to China. Okay, and we can write Pakistan right here just for our reference. Okay, the timings of different countries are written. What about Pakistan? What will be the time in Pakistan? If the time in Canada is 11 o'clock, what will be the time in Pakistan? We know that Pakistan is 9 hours ahead. So if the time in Canada is 11 o'clock, the time in Pakistan would be 20 o'clock. ठीक है? What is 20 o'clock? क्या होता है 20 o'clock? कैसे पता चलेगा? Every time what will you do? You just need to subtract 12 from this 20 to get to know that what time is it in 12-hour clock. Okay, here I'm telling you how to convert 24-hour clock into 12-hour clock. How will we do it? 20 minus 12, it will give you what? 8. It means that it is 8 AM or PM? PM. Why PM? इसलिए कि टाइम जो है वो 12 से ग्रेटर था. ठीक है, 12-hour क्लॉक में 12 से ग्रेटर टाइम था, 20 था. तो जो टाइम हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करके निकालते हैं वो PM में होता है. ठीक है, 20 minus 12 is 8, so it is 8 PM. And if the time is written here 1 o'clock, ये 1 o'clock जो टाइम लिखा हुआ है ये AM है या PM है? 1 o'clock टाइम ये AM है. ठीक है, ये रात का 1 बजा हुआ है, AM टाइम है. ये हमें कैसे पता चला कि 24-hour क्लॉक में ये अभी 12 से ग्रेटर नहीं हुआ. जो टाइम 12 से ग्रेटर होगा जिसको आप 20 से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, ठीक है, वो PM में होता है. ये 1 o'clock रात का 1 o'clock है, AM टाइम है. ठीक है. If you were having breakfast at 8 a.m. in Tokyo, what would your friend in Sydney be doing? Here the time is written in AM and the time written on the map is in 24-hour clock. So it would be better for us to convert AM or PM times in 24 hours clock because whenever we need to find time difference, it is better to convert time in 24-hour clock. Okay, if you are having breakfast at 8 a.m., so the time in AM is same as in 24-hour clock. ठीक है, 8 AM को हम 8 o'clock ही कहेंगे 24-hour clock में भी. ठीक है, जब टाइम 12 o'clock से ग्रेटर हो जाता है तो फिर वो PM में जाता है और फिर उसको हम 24-hour clock में जो है वो कन्वर्ट करते हैं. ठीक है, ओके. You are having breakfast at 8 o'clock. What your friend in Sydney be doing? Let's see what is where is Tokyo and Sydney on the map. Tokyo is right here and Sydney is right here. We will see how much is time difference between these two countries. Tokyo has 14 o'clock this time and Sydney is 17 o'clock. How much is the time difference? 14, 15, 16, 17. 3 hours. It means that Sydney is 3 hours ahead. Okay, Sydney is 3 hours ahead. If there is 8 o'clock in Tokyo, what would be the time in Sydney? 8, 9, 10, 11. It would be 11 o'clock in Sydney. So the question was, if you were having breakfast at 8 a.m. in Tokyo, what would your friend in Sydney be doing? 11 o'clock हुए क्या कर रहा होगा वो? Your friend may be taking shower or maybe doing online classes, maybe having his school or whatever. If it is Sunday, तो हो सकता है वो भी सो ही रहा हो आपका friend. Okay, let me remove this from the screen and then we will do next question. The next question is, if you were having lunch at 1 p.m. again the time is in PM. So 1 p.m. is what? 1 p.m. is 13 o'clock. ठीक है, जब आपने 24 आवर में कन्वर्ट करना होता है ना, 24 आवर में जाना होता है, तो फिर यू हैव टू ऐड 12 इन इट. 12 plus 1 is 13. ठीक है, जब आपने 24 आवर क्लॉक से वापस 12 आवर क्लॉक में आना होता है ना, फिर आप सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं. ठीक है, 24 आवर क्लॉक में जाने के लिए आप ऐड करेंगे, वापस आने के लिए आप सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. ओके, क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे? 12 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. Here I have added 12 and 1. If you were having lunch at 1 p.m. in Paris, what would your friend in New York be doing? Okay, if it is 1 o'clock in Paris, let's see where is Paris and New York on the map. Paris is right here, New York is right here. Okay. How much is time difference? Here it is 1 o'clock, here it is 7 o'clock. The time difference is 6 hours. Paris is 6 hours ahead. Paris आगे जा रहा है. ठीक है, 6 hours का difference है. और अगर पेरिस में 1 o'clock हुआ हो, मीन्स इस पे 13 o'clock हुए हुए हों, तो न्यूयॉर्क में क्या टाइम होगा? पेरिस 6 hours ahead था, ज़्यादा था, so we will subtract 6 to get to know what would be the time in New York. So 13 minus 6 is 7. 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock हुए हुए इस वक्त न्यूयॉर्क में. ठीक है, 7 क्या? AM और PM क्या होगा? AM होगा. ठीक है, AM किस लिए होगा? क्योंकि मैंने इसको ऑलरेडी 24 आवर क्लॉक में कन्वर्ट कर लिया था. 13 में से 6 अगर हम माइनस करते हैं तो हमारे पास 7 आ जाता है, और 7 और जो टाइम है जो लेस देन 12 टाइम होता है वो AM में होता है. ठीक है, अगर 13 o'clock, 14 o'clock, 15 o'clock टाइम है तो ये 24 आवर क्लॉक में, अगर 13, 14, 15 लिखा हुआ है तो ये PM में है टाइम. ठीक है, अगर 12 o'clock से कम है टाइम तो वो AM में है. Okay, the question was, if you were having lunch at 1 p.m. in Paris, what would your friend in New York be doing? 7 o'clock हुए हैं न्यूयॉर्क में आपके फ्रेंड के पास, तो मे बी ही जस्ट वेक अप, उठा होगा सुबह, एंड और मे बी ही वॉज डूइंग ब्रेकफास्ट, और मे बी he will be still sleeping. Okay, next question is, if you were asleep at 10 p.m. in Cairo, what would your friend in Belgium be doing? Let's see where is Cairo and where is Belgium on the map. Cairo is right here, and where is Belgium? Belgium is right here. Okay, let's see what was the question. If there is, oh, let me convert PM. If it is 10 p.m., so 10 p.m. is what? 10 p.m. को कैसे convert करेंगे? इसमें हम 12 ऐड करेंगे, ठीक है? हमने PM से 24 आवर क्लॉक में जाना है, तो फिर हम इसमें 12 ऐड करेंगे. 12 plus 10 would be 22. 22 o'clock हुए हैं, ठीक है? If you were asleep at 22, right here 22, and what would be the time in Belgium? First, we will see what is the time difference in Belgium and Cairo. It is only 1 hour. Belgium is only 1 hour behind. So here it will be 21 o'clock. ठीक है? Means इसके 10 p.m. है तो उसके 9 p.m. हुए हुए होंगे. So what your friend would be doing? Maybe he would also be sleeping. सो ही रहा होगा. और maybe कुछ और कर रहा हो. Maybe TV देख रहा हो. या पढ़ रहा हो. अगर अच्छा बच्चा होगा तो पढ़ रहा होगा. Okay. Make some other questions to ask your partner. You can ask your partner, you can tell your partner that one of my cousin is living in Canada, and if I am having my breakfast in 8 a.m. in morning, what my friend in Canada would be doing, what my cousin in Canada would be doing. So he must be sleeping because 8 o'clock in Pakistan, 8 a.m. in Pakistan means night time in Canada. You can make questions like this. And what is written right here? Let me read. We measure the day by saying that sun is at its highest point at 12 o'clock. This is also called noon. 12 o'clock को noon कहते हैं ना, ठीक है? The earth spins as it travels around the sun. अर्थ जो है वो सन के अराउंड ट्रेवल कर रही होती है, तो it not only rotates, it spins as well. This is science. Okay, leave it. Okay, so here they just want to tell you how day and night comes. Okay, so if it is noon where you are, does this mean that it is dark on the opposite side of the world? Will it be dark on the opposite side of the world? The answer is yes. If it is daytime in Pakistan, it would be nighttime in America or in Canada, because they are right opposite to each other. Will this always be true? No, it will not always be true, because it will be true with those countries which are right opposite to each other, but not with those countries which are maybe in the middle. For example, if we are talking about Norway, so Norway is a different country which has 6 months of day and 6 months of night. So if you are having daytime in your country, the other country which are right opposite to your country would be having night time. All the countries may not be having night time. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि सारी countries आपके अलावा सारी countries का night time हो, ठीक है? जैसे India is right next to Pakistan. So if you are having daytime, India would also be having daytime. Okay, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Your one like, one subscribe, one share, one comment means a lot to me. Thanks for watching.